Do you want text like this for your edits?
Look in my eyes, sir. You tell me.
Select your comp and double-click the L key. This will show us where there's dialogue. Now make a text layer and copy what I do.
Look in my eyes, sir. You tell me.
Trim the text layer around the dialogue and make sure to leave lots of space for the fade out. Now go to Effects and Presets and search Fade Up Words and apply this to your text layer. Now move the last keyframe to the end of the dialogue.
Look in my eyes, sir. Look in my eyes, sir.
Now go back to Effects and Presets and search Increase Tracking and apply that to your text layer. Now, put the last keyframe at the end of your text layer and change the tracking amount from 5 to 10, depending on how much you want it to expand. Now select the keyframes and click them while holding either Control or Command. This will make the keyframes linear for smooth expanding text.
Look in my eyes, sir. Look in my eyes, sir.
Now go to Effects and Presets and search Fade Out Slow and add it to your text layer. Move the last keyframe to the end of your text layer.
Look in my eyes, sir. Look in my eyes, sir. You tell me.
Now duplicate your text layer and move it to the next piece of dialogue. After that, change it to what they say next.
You tell me.
Now move the last keyframe to the end of the dialogue.
You tell me. You tell me. Look in my eyes, sir. You tell me.
Now, pre-compose your text layers. Now go into Effects and Presets and search Deep Glow and add it to your pre-comp. Change the exposure to 0.35 and the radius to 335. Now add the BCC Drop Shadow effect and change shadow distance to 0 and shadow intensity to 100. After that, duplicate the BCC Drop Shadow effect.
Eyes, sir. You tell me. Look in my eyes, sir. You tell me.